Here's a problem, folks. Just went for a fly, and she came down to the ground with a flat battery, and what's actually happened is, you guys can see that, it's actually snapped the prop, or what would you call that? Well, the main drive really, the thing that connects the two blades to the motor, which looks like plastic. It's just snapped completely. Didn't go for an excessive fall, but it did land, so what I might do now is take her into the workshop and have a look and see what's what. Okie doke, here we are. Let's get ourselves set up to do some fault finding on our broken shaft. Oh dear. EACHINE, you may not be as robust as first thought. Stand by. So as promised, here we go. Let's check this out. So yeah, a little bit of a fly and a mid-air engine shut-off caused my EACHINE to fall down to the ground rather abruptly, and upon going to take off again I detected a slight wobble in the prop, and if you look down there close you'll see that that has snapped, rendering this completely useless. So what we're going to do now is see if I can fix it without heading off to China to try and source a new part. So let's take off our pillars. There's our broken piece there. Okay, so what I'm thinking we're going to do, if we look in there we have 3 Phillips heads. Let's just crack all those off. See what's going on under there. If I can pull the motor out, I might have a better chance of fixing this unit. You'll notice I emphasise may there. So yeah, look, these drones are pretty cool, these EACHINE E58s, however, again, not completely bulletproof, I'm afraid. Let's see, it looks like it just pulls off of there. I've never done this before, folks, so just bear with me 2 ticks. While okay, so there's another arm under there, so maybe if we just lift that up there slightly we may be able to remove this part here which contains the motor. Okay, there's a screw, so we can see the motor there, drive gear, the other half of the drive gear. So if we carefully pull this out here, I think we can see our broken piece. Now there's a bit of grease on there by the look of it. Remember to put some grease back on that unit. So that's a pretty decent snap there in the plastic. The whole unit there's plastic. There's a steel shaft going almost all the way through, and just where the steel finishes pretty much looks like where the plastic has snapped and broken. So possible design fault, who knows. It's probably best these things get landed properly without crashing to earth, I suppose. That would probably be ideal, wouldn't it? So the question is, can we repair it? The sensible thing would be to get online and research away for an hour and find a spare part. However, in my world of backyard repairing, I actually think what I might do is, let's just put that down on here. the camera will pick it up quite well. I can't see any steel in there. No, that's looking pretty good. I think I can probably dodge this up with a special formula I have prepared. It's called super glue. I know. Yeah, what? You crazy? You crazy, man. I'm going to leave that in there. It's quite handy. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open that up slightly. I'm going to put some of this super duper duper man glue in there. And then I'm going to close it up. And I'm hoping what we're going to achieve is a fixed propeller. Alright, let's get this thing going. Now, I imagine you guys know all about super glue. It's super and it's glue. And you don't need very much of it, especially when you're looking at applying it to plastics. Just make sure she sits in there. Not too fussed if I get some on my hand. The important part here is that this gets sealed up as straight as possible. Go. Okay, I shall jump ahead in time. Okay, I've allowed a certain amount of time for drying. Carefully screw them back on again. Okay, there's a bit of movement in these, so I might get away with it. What I'm worried about is it flying off centre the wrong way. Right. Well, let's not mess around. Let's go for a quick fly and see if it's repaired at all. I shall start it up here. Okay, paired and doesn't look too bad. Done that good a job, I'm not even sure which one it was now. Yeah. That's looking pretty good. Okay, can't see too much flick flack wobble. Alright, let's take him outside and have a quick fly. Yep, okay, it's a little bit of wind. Stood under cover here. Let's see if we have managed to fix ourselves. Back up in the air again. Okay, put the camera up where you guys can see it. And that doesn't look too bad actually. The props look pretty steady. Got a little bit of a wobble in the rear left. It's okay, but it seems to be flying okay. Seems to be flying pretty good. So there you have it, guys. I'm about to break it again. Okay. That's looking pretty good. Okay, so the EACHINE E58 lives on. This has had quite a few hours work, so it's handling everything pretty well. A couple of nicks and cracks here. Sorry, nicks and scratches, not cracks, but this is the first thing that's gone wrong with it. I can't tell you how much flight time I've had, but I've charged the batteries a number of times. So look, if nothing else, this is something you guys can look out for. Don't smack these shafts around too much. If you hit it the wrong spot, your plastic will snap. But rest assured, you can fix it with a bit of super glue. Ideally you want a new one, which I'll get online tonight when I'm in front of the PC and try and source some new ones, and I'll leave a link down there for you guys to see where you can get them from if you need them. If you don't want to pull apart and do the backyard like me. There's little proceeds of a crash I had, but still flies well. The arms aren't looking at weakening at all. They still all fold up neatly as promised. Sits in the unit neatly as promised. I'm still on my original props. They've got a couple of nicks to them, which for this type of drone just makes them a little bit noisier. It doesn't affect flying at all. So okay, there you have it. There goes the SD card. I'll go do some uploading, and yeah, any questions about how I've prepared this, drop us a line, feel free, I'll help you guys out. And yeah, please like and subs. I've got about 20 days to reach 1,000 subs, or YouTube are just going to ignore me. So we'll see how we go. Alright, no worries. Have a great day, guys. Happy flying. See you next time. Bye for now.